Hello developer, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to learn about how to get image additional information such as image meme type, size, width, height, image create date, last modified date, orientation, etc. Create a simple form with an input type, file and controller to check uploaded image information on that page. In form attribute, do not forget to add enc type multi-part form data. It's an encoding type that allows file to be sent through a post. Now in controller, print the file basic information using the $_file global variable. In the form, upload any image or file to check the information of that file. Here $files is a two-dimensional associative global array of items that are being uploaded over the HTTP post and holds the image name, size, type, TMP name and error as you see on the screen. You can validate this data using the if-else condition in the backend for more security. To get image additional information, we are going to use 4 different functions: image sx for width, image sy for height, get image size for both height and width and meme type, and last exif_read_data for additional information. Before using this function, make sure the corresponding DLL to be enabled for using this function are PHP mbstring.dll and PHP_exif.dll. For that, edit php.ini file which is in opt lam etc php.ini. Edit that file using sudo editor name php.ini. If you install the lam stack, then the php.ini files are in root etc php version number, then apache 2 folder, and in that php.ini. After updating php.ini file, restart the server. To use image sx function and image sy function, first we need to create resource type of data using function image create from png for png files and image create from jpg for jpg files. There are more functions you can check on Google. Return that variable to a function. It will return the width of the image. I am image sx, then image variable, it will display 500, which is image width. If you need to get the height, you have to create a resource types of data using function image create from png, then pass that created image to the variable. It will display the exact height of the image. But what if you want both width and height at the same time? For that, use getImageSize function. It will return both width and height at the same time. In getImageSize function, need an image only. It does not need to create resource type of data. You can directly pass an image to this function. As you see, it displays limited information on the screen: width, height, width and meme type of image. Since getImage function will return limited set of property, EXIF read data is used to get more information associated with image. Also, in the EXIF read data function, we can directly pass an image to get data. It will return an array. Now print the above variable to see what type of data EXIF read data function return. As you see, is display all the information related to the image. That's it guys. Thank you guys. Please do like, comment and share. In the next video, we will check how to validate an image using the above function and store that image in the folder and database and fetch an image from the database. See you next time. Thank you guys.